NFTs are sexy and NFTs are new, but do they represent a profitable marketing opportunity for you? Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into a more successful business. I recently sat down with Hakim Drakar to talk about NFTs. Here's my question, and here's his answer.
So really, how profitable are NFTs a marketing opportunity for independent musicians today?
I think NFTs, realistically, when they're applied right, can be a foundational component to larger growth. I think there's no shortcuts. We talk about this all the time. There's nothing that's going to put the magic puzzle pieces together to excel you into the atmosphere or stratosphere. However, we have seen over the last 2 years, artists growing an organic fan base of NFT collectors and being able to utilize that revenue to grow their marketing efforts out across all of the other channels that they need, which have led to being able to then tour or own their own shows even. So it's less about, hey, I'm going to make an NFT collection and make $40-50 million. And it's more about, this is another opportunity for me to start building transactional relationships, foundational relationships with hardcore fans that want to see me thrive in my creativity. And that might come a couple hundred on the first time, and then maybe you learn how to grow that to a couple of thousand, and then you maybe grow that a little more. Over the last 2 years, our team has helped work with and collaborate with artists that have done over $30 million in sales, and that's hundreds of artists, not just a couple. That 30 million is spread across hundreds of artists that are now foundationally in this space, some doing 6 figures, some just doing a couple $100s still. They're all figuring it out.
Can you give us a quick example of an independent artist that succeeded?
A girl named Latasha. There's another artist, Black Dave, and then there's another artist that I love to use as a reference. His name is Kane Mayfield. And if you look up handprints, NFT, this is where you get to see where somebody took a 10-year-old song, married it with a new technology, put it with a cause that related to the subject matter of the song, and it's created a tremendous amount of exposure and traction for him, to where now he's doing much larger collaborations and he's starting to grow his footprint. And he is a self-described 40-year-old struggle rapper with 15 real fans in the legacy space. Now he has hundreds of NFT collectors.
All right, you guys, so thanks for watching. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into a more successful business. Be sure to check out the next video clip. Peace, love, later.
This is another opportunity for me to start building foundational relationships with hardcore fans that want to see me thrive in my creativity.